So you've just explained how the sort of the pin grid and the self-service portal are going to help service desks because there's going to be a lot less calls in for can you reset my password? I've been I've forgotten it, or I changed it last week and I can't remember what I changed it to. Um, Another challenge that I've seen with service desks is you get a phone call from somebody to say I'm locked out of my email. I need access to an email, and the service desk has no way of verifying that that person is who they say they are. Even if they recognise the voice, they shouldn't really be giving authorization, or they shouldn't be changing that password. Is there a way that Authlogics can help in this environment?
Yes, so the pin grid could also be used to protect identity theft. We've got a use case that we call it two-way identification using pin grid. And the way we do it, say for example, take your scenario here. The CEO of XYZ company calls into service desk, says, "Hi, I'm this, and I've locked myself out. I really need the access right now."
Yeah.
I
And
know
then
that.
the response is, "Don't you know who I am? You got to do it now." It's like, well, hang on, I'm a service desk guy. I'm feeling under pressure to unlock this account, but I shouldn't do it.
Yes, absolutely. A lot of time people give in, or if they know the person, he calls many times, they would just be like, "Okay, well, you know what, we'll take it."
Yeah.
But that's really not right.
No.
That's not right. So we use PinGrid to verify the user, because say for example you've already got a login on PinGrid, right?
Yeah.
What you got to do is you just have to tell the one-time passcode through your app. You've got an app.
Yeah.
Just open it. It could be the customized app for that specific company. And you open it. You look at the grid. The one-time passcode is generated. You just read that out. You don't have to tell your mother's maiden name, your date of birth. This is something that we do nowadays to verify people. But at the end of the day, if there is a bad actor sitting next to me, right? Or Facebook's got everything. Facebook's got the name of my mother, or my favorite football team, or the year I was born, and so all of these things are out there. It's much easier. So
you can't social engineer a pattern on PinGrid.
No, absolutely not. And you can use the same solution in another scenario. So say for example, a utility company calls you, says, "Hi Will, I'm calling from XYZ Gas. I need to talk to you because there might be a leak in your apartment or something related to you. But before that, can I get your address, your postcode, all the secret things that they want to know, and you don't want to tell. They want to know that before they even talk to you." And you'd be like, "Well, you have called me. I haven't called you. So you need to tell me who you are first before I give you everything." But that doesn't happen. So what do we do in this case? It could leave you frustrated and you could just hang up the phone, or using our solution, we make it easier a little bit. How do we do that? The person on the other side says, well, can you open the app XYZ Gas app? I will read you the first line of the grid, and that will tell you that I am actually calling from where I am saying that I'm calling from. And then I'm not going to ask you for all the secret questions. I'm just going to ask you for your one-time passcode. You do that, you open the app, this person reads out 123579, for example. You look at it, you say, "Yeah, great, thank you, I've verified you now." And now you verify, once you've verified him, he can verify you using the one-time passcode. Okay. So there are two scenarios and two ways you could use this same technology to help protect identity theft.